FLOWRiX e-commerce for blinds, shutters, and curtains. In this video, I will walk you through steps to set per panel installation price for shutters. Go to Custom Products. Edit the timber shutters. Go to the Services tab. Select Price Type by Attribute. Click on Add Attribute. Select the number of panels attribute from the list. Enter the amount and estimated installation time against each value. The system will use the installation time when allocating the correct slot for installation bookings. Click on Save and we are done. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in FLOWRiX. Expand your blinds, shutters, and curtains business with the FLOWRiX Digital Commerce Platform. Start your trial today.